First of all, you have to going to your PC's services, then open it. After opening services, you have to scroll down and finding Windows Update. Here is Windows Update, and then right click on Windows Update and going to properties, then select here automatically, then you have to click start. Then after that you have to click on apply, then simply click OK and close the window. Then you have to restart your Windows, and I think you get Windows Update and fix your problem. If that method are not working properly, you have to then you have to try another way. You have to simply click on start menu and going to your PC setting. After that you have to going to your troubleshooter. Find here the troubleshooter, then going to other troubleshooter, then simply click on Windows Update, here run. It thinks that it check automatically, and if there was any problem in Windows Update, it fix automatically and it does work completely.